Okay, so Emmet shows suggestions as snippets. If true, then Emmet suggestions will show up as snippets, allowing you to order them as per editor snippet suggestions setting. Now, I don't find this to be much useful to show Emmet suggestions as snippets. I can show you what that looks like. By default, this is set to false actually. So if we come here and we try and write some Emmet code, it's not showing up as a snippet. Yeah, it's showing up as Emmet abbreviation, and that's the symbol for that. If you press tab, it's going to expand that into HTML code. Now, if you set this setting to true, now notice that it doesn't change much, but it changed the icon, right? Which means that this Emmet abbreviation is not being shown as a snippet and not as an Emmet abbreviation like before. Now, what's the advantage of that? The advantage of that is that now you can order what was the snippet suggestions? So you can order your snippet suggestions according to this setting here, and you can leave them in line, which means they'll be alphabetized. You can put them on the bottom. You can not show them at all, or you can put them in the top, which is, I guess, usually what people go for. However, I would rather have them in line, meaning alphabetized, so that the behavior is more consistent, and leave this option as false. So Emmet abbreviations are Emmet abbreviations, and snippets are snippets.